Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create your event backlink on this site. So suppose that if your company announce any event or upcoming your company are launching any event or you are participating in any kind of event, so you guys can create your event backlink on this site. So if is this relevant for you, so you can consider this site having a great authority, providing do follow link, and also you guys are able to create your profile backlink on this site. So before the delay we can start. So before that we can research something about that site. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 71, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 50 and the spam score is only 2%. So and according to SimilarWeb, this website having 15.6k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from Vietnam, India, Pakistan, Ukraine, and the USA and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. So the first thing, you can click on the sign up or login button, and there you can click on the sign up button. There you can add your username, and you can choose your password, and after that you can click on the sign up button. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So after that you can click on this. So you can click on the profile button. There is edit, so you can click on the profile. So there you can add your email address and your real name. So you can add your company name. There you can add your website URL, and there you can choose your business city. So where is your business located? So Mintonka, United States, and there you can upload your company profile picture, and after that you can click on the save button. So after that this site will send you a verification email, so you can check your Gmail box. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So I received a verification email. So simply you can click on the confirm email button, and your profile is successfully verified. And after that you can click on the click here to profile setup. So everything you guys have already, we have already set up. So you can click on the profile button. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is a logo, company name, and our website URL. And I can show you this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we have created our a profile backlink. Now the time is to we can create event backlink. So how we can create our event backlink? So first thing, you can add your event name. So suppose that recently we are launching one event. So I can give you a demo. So how you can create your event backlink. So if I can click on this, so follow and HR Tech. So this would be going to start Las Vegas 24 to 26, and we are also participating with another event. So HR Tech. So this event should be going to start in mid of the HR Tech 24 September. So where is this? Yeah, so this is the, so connect with us in Las Vegas and join our to stop Medley Las Vegas and the chart text, so connect with us. So let me use this connect with us in Las Vegas at HRTACH2024. Booth number is has 4118. So this is a event title. So you can put your event title and the when your event should be going to start. So 24th September to 26th September. So 24th September to 26th. Okay, so this is not the right event what we are creating. So let me check again. This is not the recent one, so okay, so only for the example I can create this event for you guys. So so there we have added. So this would be going to start on 24 and should be going to end in the 26. So let me 1 and 3. So you can also customize your event time. So there you can add your name. So there you can add your company name. So there you can add your event address. So event address is this. Yeah. So this is the event address. Medley Las Vegas. So there you can add your city. So Medley. Yeah. So there you can add a latitude and the longitude. So for now I don't have a latitude. So you can search your latitude. So suppose that you can click this your address and you can click on the map button, and from there you can found your latitude and the longitude. So this is a latitude and after that this is a longitude. Okay, so we can use this. So you can put it over there. You can add a place URL if available. So for now we don't have, so let me use this. So there you can add a place URL. Suppose that organization address or any event address, so you can add a place URL. Okay, there you can select your time zone, and after that you can click on the add place button, and there you can add your event a description. So suppose that I'm picking this description for now. So you can add your description, and there you can add your website URL and any announcement URL. So suppose that if you are having any announcement page or anything, so you can add your announcement URL as well. Okay, so this is our company profile. So let me add, so I should be consider this to, I can add this, and after that you can click on the save details button, and you can select if you are having if you wanting to create team, so you can create team. Either you can select this option. So you can see our event is successfully created on this site, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not, so instant approved event or not. So you can see this is the event name and the event description and the timing, place, this is the place. So in the place you can add a place URL, in the website there you can add your website URL. Okay, so I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink and the event backlink on this side. So this is a process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.